Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the memory issue on Windows. So I'm just opening up system. Just to show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. If you go over to system on your PC, you would see that you have a certain amount of usable memory, but of course you'd like to have your full memory, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So there are two ways of fixing that, and I know that to work effectively. The first one is by heading over to system configuration and ensuring that there are no custom values and that everything is left as default, and also heading to your BIOS and changing the DVMT pre-allocated setting. So I will be showing you guys how to do that. So first of all, let's do the system configuration method. Let me show you guys what you have to change. So just head over to run by pressing your Windows key and R and type in msconfig. So let's do that. It should open up, and from here you're going to go over to boot, advanced options, and just ensure that everything is unchecked over here. Do not have anything checked, everything should be unchecked. So right for maximum memory, which is what you're focusing on, just ensure that this is unchecked and click OK. Apply and OK, and it will ask you to reboot, but I'm going to exit without restart, and that's it. So now what we're going to do is boot into our BIOS. Now of course settings vary by manufacturer, and of course the keys, usually it's either delete key, escape key, F9 key, F10 key, or F2 key, but it varies. So it's best if you go online, Google it, and find which key is for your model. So that's it. Let's boot into the BIOS so that I can show you guys how to address it via your BIOS. Right, so right now we are going to reboot and enter our BIOS. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm about to enter my BIOS, so I'm going to select enter setup, and as you can see I am on my BIOS for my Asus machine. So settings vary, but for me it's over in advanced, so I'm going to go over to advanced and I'm going to head down to graphics configuration. So you should do it as default right here to 42 megabytes, and basically what DVMT pre-allocated is basically what portion of your system memory that you'd like to use as graphics memory. So as you can see, these are the values that you can select right here. So either you press F9 to restore your BIOS to all default values, or you select the lowest pre-allocated setting right here, which is 32 megabytes. But I recommend going to default just to see, and the default value is 32 megabytes, so ensure that you have it at the lowest one. And now you're going to head back and press F10 to save your values, or save changes and exit right over here in save and exit. So you're going to do that, press enter, and it would save the settings and your PC will now reboot. Alright, boot up complete, and I'm going to now log in and continue with the screen recording. Alright, so let's head over to system. Alright, so as you can see, there is no usable memory anymore. So as you can see, it's your full 4 gigabytes of RAM, and that's it. So you have addressed the issue. That's basically it for the video today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I trust that I helped you out. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if I did, share the video with others, and of course hit subscribe to support my channel. I thank you for watching once again. See you in the next one.